I have a certain man in Kabale. He gives us a testimony that he was a thief and he could steal the tires of the vehicles of policemen from police headquarters. This man from Kabale. He could enter police and steal. I always look at him and say, but now he got saved, and now after that he was taken back to school. He has a good job. But he shared his testimony that police could not manage me. Police cannot handle. Army cannot handle. Only Jesus can handle. It's only his power. Because some of the people who could even solve the problems are a problem themselves. You tell the police, traffic to all these old vehicles. The vehicles for police are very old. For the police, you go and say on the vehicles of the police, the tires, but they can stop you. Go to this, look at your ones. So only Jesus can solve our problems.